Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful holiday glam makeup look. Let's get started. So I always like to start off with a tan matte eyeshadow as a transition shade, and this is from the mini nude palette from Natasha Denona, and the shade is called Coin. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's spelled different. And I'm using an E40 Sigma brush, and I just apply it in my crease and bring it up to my brow bone as a transition shade. So with the same brush, I grab the shades Peach Me and Butter Rum from the No. 5 Snap Shadows from Fenty Beauty, and I apply those in my crease and also bring up to my brow bone. And I use windshield wiper motions and circular motions to blend out. Okay, so back to the mini nude palette. I use the shade Soil, which is like the dark brown shade in the palette, and I use a Colourpop eyeshadow brush, E22. And apply it on the outer corners of my eyelid, and I blend it out. And then back to the Snap Shadow, I used the shade Peach Me and the first brush that I used, E40, to blend out the edges and apply a little bit more color in my crease and brow bone. And then I used the shade Bellini Baby, which is a peachy shimmer light shade, and a E24 Colourpop brush to apply it on the inner portions of my lid to blend in together with the brown shade on the outer corner, but I don't bring it all the way out. And then for my lower lash line, I went in with the shade High Pumpkin from the Snap Shadow, and I used the brush E27, which is a pencil brush, and applied it on the lower lash line and just blended it out and applied it several times to get the intensity that I wanted. For the gold pop of eyeshadow in the inner corner, I used the Master Metals eyeshadow palette by Mario in the shade Gold, and I used the E4 brush from his brand. This color is so pretty and it's so bright, so you only need a little bit. And then back to the shade Soil, I applied it on the outer corner of my eyelid, again just to intensify the shadow a little bit more and intensify the outer crease. And I'm kind of just repeating the same steps, and I'm using the two peachy eyeshadows to apply on the crease again and my brow bone. And then I used the Conrad eyeliner, and I did a wing with this eyeliner. It's super easy because it's so small and it's really flexible and it's really dark. And then I just used an eyelash curler to curl my lashes, applied some mascara. I used the Hourglass mascara. And my waterline, I used a One Size Beauty eyeliner, and then I applied some mascara on my lower lashes. And then I applied some false lashes. The ones that I used are from Morphe and the name HYPNOTIC. For a little extra sparkle and glam, I used the Master Crystal Reflector highlighter in the shade Citrine and applied it with my finger on top of the eyeshadow. And it just has like really nice, pretty gold sparkle that goes with the eyeshadow. So I did finish the rest of my makeup off camera. For blush, I used the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo in the shade Warm Honey. And then I did apply some highlighter, and I used the Thrive Cosmetics Liberty highlighter. So that's what I have right here as a highlighter. For my lips, I am wearing the KKW Beauty Nude 1 lip liner. I do also use the 1.5 liner. I applied a little bit more of this to make it darker. The 1.5 I do not have to apply as much, but I don't have it right in front of me, so that's why I used the Nude 1. And then for my lips, I did use the matte liquid lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Clo Money. Using a matte liquid lipstick is better right now since we're wearing masks. I used a little bit of brightening powder just to cut, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will link all the products that I used in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.